Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. I have a little haul, collective, nothing crazy, just some bits and bops that I've picked up before we dive into like real fall like shopping. Some of this is like definitely stuff I'm going to be bringing into it, but I'm also wearing it now. So let's jump in. I guess I could start with the random things first. Okay, so I had to place an order on Gap Old Navy situation because my beloved pants, you know, my like pants that I wear literally all the time. Well, I used the Miss Messy Mouth or something like that stain remover on it, and I let it sit too long and it bleached spots in my pants. So I had to buy a new pair. Thankfully they were on sale. But these are like my favorite pants, and I mean, I wear them all the time, even in the summer, and I know I'll continue to wear them into the fall, so I knew I needed another pair. I get mine in a 4 regular. I like that like slouchy, low-rise sort of fit. These are perfect, and I'm happy that I have them back because I literally almost had a panic attack. So if you haven't purchased them, I've purchased them twice now because they're so good. So hopefully that tells you. But also, while I was on that website, I saw this super cute jacket. I wanted this last year and it sold out so fast. It's one of those like windbreaker-esque things. I grabbed this in a medium. Thought this was really cute. It's got like the bungees on the side. This sort of like flishy activewear is very cute. And for fall, everywhere I'm seeing like color. So I'm kind of excited. So they did have this in navy, but I got it in the red. I thought I would wear it a ton. I have a lot of navy stuff, but I still thought I would wear the red. So I thought this was adorable, very like 90s-esque, super cute. Ooh, the sleeves are very big. Over activewear, so on and so forth would be adorable. So that's what I picked up from there. I placed a bow and tee order. I ordered the wrong size at first, and yeah, I don't know if this activewear is for me, but it's so cute and I want it to be, okay? But I'm just like not 100% like confident wearing it. Not gonna lie to you, because it's a little, oh, I have a string. But I loved it. Okay, so this is the top, so cute. It's like kind of grayish blue with the bright blue or light blue, so pretty. And then the shorts are these. They're a little just short. They're just a little short, but I loved the two-tone here, the bow and tee and the rubberized in the back. But I wanna say these are like, I don't even know if they're an inch long. They're short, okay, but they're so freaking cute. So adorable. And then I also got in this chocolate brown, I think it's called coconut and something. I haven't taken the tags off of this yet. The sports bra, so cute. Loved this so much. I grabbed this in a medium. And then the pants, right there. So cute. I'm kind of like one of those people that like needs more coverage on top, or coverage on the bottom. I have to pick one or the other. And this is like none. So I'm not sure exactly what I was thinking, but hopefully I will gain the courage to wear those one day. Because I thought they were really adorable. Okay, I ordered 2 things on TikTok Shop. I've become kind of obsessed with TikTok Shop, I'm not gonna lie to you. First are these earrings. Are these not the most stunning earrings you've literally ever seen? I think they're the most stunning earrings I have ever seen. They're bigger than my freaking diamond on my finger. It's crazy. They're so pretty. I love. Okay. And then I also ordered, I'm very into like these lacy baby doll toppy things, whatever. I saw this and I was like, cute. So I haven't tried this on yet, but I think it's adorable. I think I got it in a medium. Adorable. I thought it'd be cute with like those green pants that I showed you and whatnot. What size did I actually order? Oh, small. I ordered this in a small. So cute. I thought this was cotton. It's polyester. How can they make polyester feel like cotton? It's crazy. Anyways, it's so cute. Okay. Okay. I guess we'll kind of keep it. The rest is, I have 2 more things and then the rest is all Quince, okay? You know I love Quince. Okay. I instantly saw this and was like, I need this, okay? It's a bandana print zip-up sweater situation. I'll have to show it on. It is so cute. I thought this would be adorable, like with jeans, but also with like biker shorts and stuff. I just thought this was so cute. Why is this not zipping? because you gotta push it all the way, and that's nice. Okay, I got this from Amazon. It's kind of that mock neck. I'm very into this like big neck, funnel neck, whatever situation. Black, white, and this olive gray is so cool, so cool. If you watch my outfits, whatever, you've already seen these, but I got a new pair of Asics. These are the gel Cayano, I don't know. I love the light blue with the navy blue, and these are just so freak. Asics are my favorite sneaker, like for comfort, for walking, all the things. They're just so good. I used to be an on sneaker girl. They're just not as good as they used to be. But I loved the colorway of these, and I've worn them like pretty much every single day since I got them. And I like that the laces are kind of like rope almost, but I also think they would be really cute if you swap them out for like navy blue laces. But yeah, I got these off Revolve, and I think these are so adorable. Scott's like, they look like every other one of your sneakers. I have a taste. I have a type. Okay, last but not least, before we get into Quince, is this Roback. I don't know, sweater. I saw this, and I've never ordered anything. I lied. I ordered Scott and Arlo like matching polos way back in the day. But I loved this like mock neck oversized sweater, and it like sold out. I was like, do I need that? Because it's not cheap, okay? I was like, do I need that? And then I was like, it like sold out because I was taking my time. And then I got the notification that it was back in stock, and I pulled the trigger immediately because I thought it was so cute. I love. So again, fall, like I'm not wearing this now. I mean, unless I'm in the house, but still cute. All right, let's get into Quince. I reordered this dress. It came back in stock in the size small because the extra small is too tight on my little army holes. So got it in a small. And I still think I'll wear this into the fall for sure, just with like touches of brown, but I think gingham is still very appropriate for the fall. And this is their linen dress. It's lined. I love this. I have to try this on and see if I need to get it hemmed because they did not have petite sizes in this, but I think I'll make it work. I really just need to learn how to hem things myself. Okay, so I have started to dive into Quince's fall fashion. Wait, one more thing before I like fully go into the fall stuff. I grabbed the little shell top. I own this in white and yellow, and now I own it in the red. I got this in the size small. I want this in the black and white gingham as well, but I've already styled this in one of my recent videos as well. I think this red is really pretty for the fall and a great like transition piece with like a deeper, this is almost like a jewel toned type of color with like darker jeans and things like that. I think so cute and perfect for Texas falls because those are few and far between. Okay, Quince's sweaters are some of my favorite things that they do. I just have not found the quality for the price really truly anywhere else. So when I saw this, I was like, is this giving Target? I'm not sure, but I think it's really cute. It's their Mongolian cashmere. So this one's on the pricier side. If you just want their cotton sweaters, very, very affordable. But even for cashmere, this is a very nice, very, very reasonable price point. So I got this in a large. I think collegiate style is still gonna be very much around like this polo style with the dark buttons and this rich, deep red, I think. I don't know, I have to try it on and see if it's like my red. Do you know what I'm talking about? Because I love reds, but certain reds like really enhance my features and others don't. Like you can tell this is more of like a deeper red than this red, but anyway, another red sweater. Scott was like, isn't that the same color? I'm like, it's really not. It's really, really different. See, maroonish red, orangey red. Orangey reds are typically my favorites on me. I think they make my blue eyes pop, but this is one of their just like cotton, I think. I don't know, it's not their boyfriend cotton, is it? Yeah, it is their cotton boyfriend sweater, which is my favorite style that they do. I own this in the oatmeal color. I will say this one's thinner than that one, but I still really like it. Love the color. I get these in a large. So good. Thought that would be pretty for like a transition with shorts. Oh, God, my hair is getting stuck in my lip gloss. Okay, this next shirt I thought was really cool because I don't own like a navy blue button up. I lied, I do, but it's poplin. This is like that, I think it's called tensile fabric or something like that. It feels like a, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like kind of dull Dolman, Batman, whatever you call it. It doesn't have like cut off sleeves. So we're gonna try it out and see. But I thought this was really, really, really cute and kind of an intro to like a fall. It's very lightweight though, but it feels like a different texture than like a poplin. What is this made out of? Yeah, tensile lanocell. I have no idea what that even means, but that's what it's made out of. But it's a very interesting, very like smooth, soft fabric. But I thought that would be really cute with like those green pants or shorts into transitional months. Okay, I also have never tried a pair of jeans from Quince, so I'm excited to try these. I have really geared more towards mid-rise to low-rise pants. These are high-rise, but these are their only like 100% rigid non-denim or non-stretch denim. I decided to try these in a 27. I'm anywhere between a 26 and 27. But I've never tried their jeans, so this is a nice medium wash. I thought these looked really nice, so hopefully they are cute on. I haven't tried any of this on yet, and normally I try on first and then talk about it, but I did the other way today, so we'll see how that goes. Normally I like to try on first so that way I can give commentary, you know? Okay, anyway, last but not least are these little loafers. I bought a pair of loafers from Target last year and absolutely fell in love with them, and they just look very worn like after a season, which they're Target shoes. They were like 30 bucks. So I definitely knew it was something that I wanted to invest in because I do like wearing these, and I know that like cigarette pants, straight leg jeans are coming back, and these look really good with that. This has like a chunkier heel, which is a little interesting. It kind of like sticks out from the shoe, but oh, so adorable. I got these in a 7. I'm between a 6.5 and a 7, and I tend to go like up in Quince. The sole on this thing is so squishy. I wish you could feel it. Thought I could take it out, but I don't want to ruin it, but so adorable. I have one more pair of ballet flats coming from them, but they're like later. So I decided I'd order or show you what I got so far. So that's everything. That's my little collective haul. Nothing crazy. Oh, I figured out what was wrong with this. That's what it is. My screen wasn't all the way Bobo. Nothing crazy, just like a little intro, if you will. But I do have some, I've been doing more shopping, but I'm curious to know in terms of like fall videos. I'm gonna do my fall wish list. I'm going to do fall Pinterest outfits that I want to recreate. And I was thinking, would you be curious to know like the fall items that I bought last year that I'm bringing back in this year? To kind of like encourage again. You guys know I love a good mix of using what we already have, buying things and choosing things to buy that we like love and we're carrying into multiple seasons, multiple years, da 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 da. So would you be curious to know like what I'm bringing back from last year that I loved, whether I bought it at the end of the season, didn't get as much use, or just absolutely love it and I'm bringing it into the next season? Let me know, like a fall staples return. My hands just farted. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon.